Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Daily English Teacher. Before we start, only around 400 people are subscribed. Help me reach 500 subscribers by subscribing. It only takes a second, and it helps the channel grow. Today, we are covering a very common speaking habit. Stop saying you know. Many learners use it often, and it makes your English sound less confident. We will fix it step by step with practical alternatives. Part 1. Removing you know in questions. Many learners say you know at the end of questions without realizing it. Example: do you like coffee? You know. Does it sound natural? Not really. Better alternatives. Do you like coffee? Do you understand? Do you agree? Practice with me. You like studying English, you know. Better. Do you like studying English? Always remember, in questions, you do not need extra filler words. Part 2. Removing you know in statements. You know often appears in statements. Example: I went to the shop. You know. It makes the sentence weak and uncertain. Better alternatives. I went to the shop. I really enjoyed the shop. I noticed something interesting. Try it now. I think it is difficult, you know. Better. I think it is difficult. Focus on speaking clearly and directly without adding you know. Part 3. Replacing you know with natural expressions. Sometimes you need a filler, but you know is overused. Better fillers. Well. Let me see. Right. Examples: I was surprised, right? Well, I think we can try. Let me see. It is not easy. Practice. I don't like it, you know. Better. I don't like it, right? I don't like it, well. Short pauses are better than you know. Great work today. Stop saying you know will make your English sound clearer, more confident, and natural. Practice every day. If you like this lesson, help me reach 500 subscribers. Thank you for watching.